That's okay. Because, yeah, so the last one you drove was with the spare car.
Yeah.
This is the regular car, so it's just a few little things. I'll let you get all set up here first.
Okay.
So to adjust your mirrors, the button is on the door.
Yeah.
Right there instead. And what you do is you twist it to the left.
I'm good for where I am, but yeah, I've done that a little bit before.
Okay. And then another difference is you have the digital speedometer, which is much better. It shows you every single number.
Yeah.
And also this here. Remember the last one? You kind of had to snake it.
Yeah.
This one just goes straight back. There's a button here.
Okay.
And we don't have the parking lever, parking brake. So in this car here, whenever you put it in the park, it engages the parking brake automatically.
Oh.
And when you put it in drive, it disengages it automatically as well. So all you have to do is just if you're using this car for your road test, just verbalize, say, engage parking brake or something.
Okay.
Yeah. Today we're going to be doing hill parking, so you'll be using the parking brake quite a bit.
Yeah.
And I'll just remind you just to verbalize it, just so you get used to that idea. It's a lot easier when you have the lever to remember to use it.
Yeah.
The reason I'm wearing my mask is I was feeling under the weather the last couple of days, but I'm okay. I took 2 COVID tests. I don't have COVID. They both came out negative, so.
Okay.
And my voice is a little messed up, so that's about it. And if you're ready, then we'll take off.
Okay. Oh, that was different.
Yeah. And the stop sign here, we'll make a right turn.
Okay.
How's your mom doing? Good?
Very good.
She enjoying the freedom?
Yes.
Driving? Yeah.
She hates the fact that now, though, I ask her to drive me everywhere.
Oh, yes, of course.
I think I can pull over.
See better? Yeah. So long as the nose of your car isn't out in traffic. And we're going to go straight at the four-way here.
Oh, this car is different.
Gas and the brake are a little bit more sensitive.
Yeah.
Won't take you long to get used to it though. I like this car better though. Whatever car you drive, you really, it's funny how you get used to something.
Yeah. I drove that car once.
At the lights, we're going to make a left turn. So besides the hill parking, we're going to go through the steps for roadside stop,
Okay.
and we'll do some lane changes too. Has anyone been able to take you out in practice or?
I haven't done it since then, no.
No, eh? Okay. Once we get past this red car, then we'll make a right lane change. We'll be doing the traffic lights in detail on your 4th hour.
Okay. I think that's Saturday.
Is it? Okay. Yeah, I noticed you got your lessons booked now, so
Yeah.
that's good.
After that day, I think I went on and I booked them all because I know times don't always work out.
Yeah, that's okay. If you have to cancel, just give us like the 24-hour notice,
Yeah.
and you won't get dinged for it. So anticipating the lights, the yellow lights, you know the little trick there with the
Yeah, you said that the last time.
trick for lane changes is just keeping track of all the vehicles around you, the ones behind you. Different colors, different shapes. In your mirrors, getting used to your mirrors. Locating where everything is in space and place. A little busy this time of day.
Yeah, a little.
Makes it a bit more challenging to do the lane changes. Oh yeah, it is, okay. You couldn't tell. No, there he is. So 80% of your attention should be in the front, 20% on the rest of what you're doing. Always tracking the vehicles, especially if you're planning on making a left turn down the road or something. Timing is everything.
Yeah.
So you're not, so you don't miss the turn, or so you don't get caught in a bunch of traffic.
Exactly.
Sometimes you got to make that lane change earlier, like strategically. So
Normally, well, I used to. Well, I guess I still do. When I would drive from. Let's say I was turning onto Falcon Bridge, like a left onto Falcon Bridge, and I knew I needed to be in the right lane. There was only one turning lane right away. I would move over, just so I wouldn't have to move over later on when I needed to make the right. So I would do it early. That's what I probably ended up doing. Just
yep.
I didn't get confused or anything.
Yep, that makes sense. Then the other thing too is if you do it too early and you got to do the speed limit, then it might mean you're impeding traffic. So
Yeah.
but we'll do the lane changes a little bit later on. We'll start with the hill parking first.
Okay.
So at this set of lights coming up, we're going to make a right turn. And we're going to keep going right up that corner there, way down the road. We haven't gone down this way yet. I always point these two trees out to everybody. They're so cool. They look like big mushrooms or something. We're climbing the mountain.
Never actually did that on the street.
It's a nice little area.
Yeah.
There's some nice houses on this street. They all pretty much look different too, like they're not all cookie cutters type of thing. I'm gonna keep going down that way.
Okay.
This is all extra space here for people to pull in and out of their driveway.
Yeah.
So before we pull over, signal right, check your mirror, and check your right blind spot. We'll just pull it over to the where the flat rocks are over here. A little bit further up. Yeah, that's good, right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now when you're facing uphill, first of all, is that a curb?
I wouldn't say so. It's not the traditional curb I'm used to.
Exactly. So it's not a curb. Okay, so a curb is 90 degrees. That means we're facing uphill with no curb. And what they want you to do is turn your wheels to the right, all the way to the right, as far as they go. And then you just go ahead and put it in park. And then once you put it in park, you go engage parking brake.
Parking brake? I'll probably end up just saying parking brake.
Yeah, just say parking brake. And then, so that way, then if the brakes fail or if somebody comes around the corner too fast and hits us or whatever, then the car will roll off the road instead of down the hill.
Okay.
And so that's the first of the 4 positions for hill parking. We're going to get into a routine to get going again. So the step 1 is to straighten the wheels out first. So go ahead and put them into the straight position.
I gotta go and drive, eh?
Not yet.
No?
There. And then that's step 1. So step 2 is go ahead and put it into drive.
Okay.
And then your third step before you pull away is you do what I call smog, S-M-O-G. S is for signal. So go ahead and put your left signal on. Oh, guy's coming up the hill. Let's cancel the signal so he doesn't think you're going to pull out in front of him. We'll wait till he passes and we'll start step 3 again. Okay, smog signal. And then you check your mirror. M is for mirror. O is for over the shoulder. You check your left blind spot over there. Yeah, that's just to make sure no one's like walking past you. And then off we go. So I break it down into 3 steps. We're going to follow that plow up the hill here. It's a nice little cul-de-sac we can use to turn around. See what he's doing. It looks like a big enough circle that he... Yeah. It's kind of weird. There we go, okay. Okay, we're good. It must be on a like a training run or something. I hope they're not expecting snow.
I hope not.
It can wait till Christmas as far as I'm concerned and then disappear.
Yeah.
So just around the corner here, there's the light post over there. We're gonna pull over the side of the road. So again, smog, S-M-O-G before you pull over. Signal mirror over the shoulder. This one this time. Good. Cancel your signal.
Parking brake.
Yep. And so for this one here, you're facing downhill, no curb. Where do you not want the car to roll?
Straight.
Yep.
But
You also don't want it to roll out into traffic, right?
yeah, so the wheels would have to be
Yep.
like that.
There you go. There. So now car is secure. If you're visiting somebody out there, you don't want to be looking out the window and not see your car. Maybe see it down the road or something. So at least if the brakes fail, then you might see your car in the driveway over here, which is better. Okay, so that's the second position, and we'll take off.